Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix resolution not supported on TikTok app. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you receive a message that says video resolution not supported at this time on TikTok, then here are some fixes you could try out. The first thing to do is to make sure you check for available updates for your TikTok app. Simply go ahead and tap open your app store and go to the search box at the top. Type in TikTok in the search bar, and once you perform your search, if there is an update available for TikTok app, you'll be able to see the update button popping up right next to TikTok. Once you tap on that button, you can easily download TikTok application latest update. Once you have the latest update, you might be able to fix your resolution problem on TikTok. If that doesn't work, the next thing to do is to simply close off your TikTok app from running on the background or any other application that's running on your background, and simply tap open settings. From the settings menu, scroll down and tap general, tap on iPhone storage option and look for TikTok in this page. Tap on the TikTok icon and tap on offload app. Offloading your application will clear out any corrupted data on your TikTok application. Now select reinstall application again, and once you reinstall the application, go and launch it open and see if that fixes your video resolution not supported issue. If that still doesn't work, then the last thing you can try out is download InShot video editing application on your mobile device. Simply go ahead and decrease or increase the resolution of your video by using the app, and you'll be able to fix your issue. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.